Hi, I'm Matty from Petroil. I'm a restoration technician here, and this is an example of one of the cars that we've put together. We've got quite a few classic Porsches, and this one's a Porsche 912, so the 4-cylinder. This is a very good example of the level of detail and how far we've gone with the restoration. This car came to us, it looked really good, like very presentable car. We put it up on the ramp and the door gaps actually opened up because of how rusty it was. And then we obviously dug deeper and found inches of filler and rust everywhere, floor pan that had just been tacked in. You know, it was very much sort of like put together, polished up to sell, and it's been our job to put it right, I guess. The customer decided to go for this lovely blue. I believe it's midnight blue. It's from a more modern Porsche colour. But yeah, he saw a different car that we had done, Aston Martin DB6, that is in a very similar colour, and he wanted that. And that's what we've done, and we've kind of like forced the gold and blue theme. So every bolt on this car has been yellow passivate plated, and badges, we've made all the badges gold, anodizing and utilising processes. So along the back, the Porsche script on the back, you can get in gold, but we couldn't find that badge in gold, so it came in silver, so we resorted to getting it anodized, and same with the one on the glove box. But yeah, so engine-wise, this is obviously the 4-cylinder, as it's a 912. It's had the big bore upgrade, so it's about 1.8 litre now with Weber carbs, so it'll be more powerful than it was from standard. Just make it a bit more drivable. Quite a unique feature that we've added to this car is the exhaust. So full custom-made exhaust. So it's going to sound better than original, and it looks cooler. And we've made it come out the middle. It's a nice little touch. So the customer isn't all for originality. He's not like wanting like a concourse restoration. So that's why we've done these extra little bits. So even stuff like the wheels, we got the wheels banded. They've got nice, nice shiny polished hubcaps. We've lowered it a little bit, so it just looks a bit more aggressive, and it should be like a nice little sort of resto mod 912 when it's finished. So something that's not standard on this is the steering wheel. It goes nicely with the colour, contrast in blue and brown. And we've managed to find a gear knob, which is also the same. A little backstory is the customer is really into woodworking, so there's a chance that he's even going to turn up some handles to put on the handbrake and the heater lever, which will look really cool because it will just all tie together. But yeah. So interior is custom made with different seats. He's gone for an eyelet theme, where if you look on the seats, there's eyelets in the seats, and we've put pleats on the door cards, and gone for a strap to release the door. But it all ties in well. So we've got the eyelet theme in the seats, we've got perforated speaker holes, and holes in the door handles and window winders. So yeah, a lot of thought's gone into it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm making all the mounting points for the seat belts. This car's from 1968, so there's not much in the way of seatbelt mounting points. So we're having to make brackets and drill holes to make seatbelts mount properly. And that is mainly because the customer wants retractable seatbelts all round. So yeah, these are the seatbelt mounts that we've had to make inertia seatbelts work in this car. Basically, long story short, the Targas had very, very limited locations to mount the seatbelts in the back. Like it's like double skin, the panel on the back is, so there's only one place you can really drill through. So we were going to have statics, but like plans changed and the customer wants inertia seatbelts, so we've had to make these brackets to make them work. So these will be going gloss black, so I'm just taking them off so that we can do that. So this has become sort of a controversial topic as some people really don't like it, but I think it's quite cool. So the customer managed to find clear indicator lenses. So these are meant to be orange. These are quite hard to find actually. He did a good job finding them, but a lot of people really dislike them. They think that they should be orange, but I kind of like how it ties in with everything because it's got all the shiny chrome stuff and nothing else on the outside of this car is orange. So I think that it kind of just ties in nicely and yeah, it works with the sort of chrome and blue contrast. So yeah, but that's just another thing that he's sort of been able to choose and really personalise the car to be what he wants it to be. So yeah, this has been our 912. I hope you like it. This is a very good example of the work that we carry out.